The automotive world is abuzz. Mercedes-Benz, renowned for luxury and performance, has unveiled its latest creation, the CLE. This isn't just another car, it's a statement. The CLE is a bold fusion of the best attributes of the C-Class and E-Class Coupe. The result, a sophisticated, sporty and technologically advanced machine that promises an unparalleled driving experience. Get ready to be captivated. This isn't a car for the faint of heart. The CLE is for those who demand more style, more power, more luxury. It's a car that speaks to those who appreciate the finer things in life, but aren't afraid to push boundaries. Are you ready to unleash the power of the CLE? Buckle up, the journey starts now. Let's talk about what makes the CLE tick. Mercedes offers a range of engine options to suit every driving style, whether you prefer the efficiency of a diesel, the raw power of a turbocharged petrol, or the eco-consciousness of a plug-in hybrid. There's a CLE for you. Each engine is paired with a sophisticated transmission, ensuring seamless power delivery and exhilarating acceleration. But power is nothing without control. The CLE boasts a meticulously tuned suspension and responsive steering, making it a joy to drive on winding roads. It hugs corners with precision, giving you the confidence to push the limits. And yet, the ride remains refined and comfortable, even on rougher surfaces. The CLE, a perfect blend of sportiness and sophistication. The CLE is a head-turner. Its design language is both elegant and athletic, drawing inspiration from Mercedes' iconic coupes. The long hood, sleek roofline, and muscular rear haunches hint at the power that lies within. The signature Mercedes grille, adorned with the iconic three-pointed star, commands attention. This is a car that exudes confidence and presence. Every detail, from the sculpted lines to the aerodynamic side skirts, has been meticulously crafted to optimize performance and efficiency. The CLE doesn't just look fast, it cuts through the air with minimal resistance, ensuring a smooth and stable ride even at high speeds. This is automotive artistry at its finest. The CLE's interior is a sanctuary of luxury and technology. Open the door, and you're greeted by an opulent cabin crafted from the finest materials. Premium leather, real wood veneers, and polished metal accents create an ambience of understated elegance. Every detail, from the contrast stitching to the ambient lighting, has been carefully considered to enhance your driving experience. The seats are ergonomically designed to provide exceptional comfort and support, even on long journeys. The driver-focused cockpit puts all the controls within easy reach, while the intuitive infotainment system keeps you connected and entertained. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the open road, the CLE's interior envelops you in comfort and luxury. Section 5. Tech-savvy and intuitive technology and infotainment. The CLE is more than just a car, it's a rolling technological marvel designed to keep you connected, entertained, and safe on every journey. At the heart of the dashboard lies a state-of-the-art infotainment system displayed on a high-resolution touchscreen that responds to your every touch with precision and speed. This intuitive system puts everything at your fingertips, from navigation and entertainment to vehicle settings and climate control. Whether you're adjusting the temperature or finding the quickest route to your destination, it's all just a tap away. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration ensures seamless smartphone connectivity, allowing you to access your favorite apps, music, and even messages on the go. Stay connected without ever taking your eyes off the road. But the CLE's technological prowess goes beyond entertainment. It's designed to make every drive not only enjoyable but also incredibly safe. A suite of advanced driver assistance systems works tirelessly to enhance your safety and make your journeys more relaxing. These systems are always on alert, ready to assist you in any driving situation. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring provide an extra layer of awareness, helping you navigate traffic with ease and confidence. These features work together to ensure that you and your passengers are always protected. The CLE, where luxury meets innovation. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about enjoying the journey with the peace of mind that comes from knowing you're driving one of the most advanced vehicles on the road today. Section 6. Practicality meets performance, space, and versatility. Don't let the CLE's sleek coupe profile fool you. This car is surprisingly practical. It combines the elegance of a coupe with the functionality of a much larger vehicle, making it a versatile choice for a variety of lifestyles. While it might not have the cargo capacity of an SUV, the CLE offers ample space for everyday errands and weekend getaways. Whether you're heading to the grocery store or planning a spontaneous road trip, the CLE has you covered. The trunk is generously sized and can be further expanded by folding down the rear seats. This flexibility allows you to transport larger items with ease, making it perfect for those who need a bit more room without compromising on style. Whether you're transporting luggage, sports equipment, or shopping bags, the CLE can handle it all. Its thoughtful design ensures that you can carry everything you need, no matter the occasion. Inside the cabin, you'll find numerous storage compartments for your belongings, from small items like your phone and keys to larger items like a tablet or a book. There's a place for everything. Door pockets, a spacious glove box, and a center console with cup holders ensure that everything has its place. These features make the CLE not just a car, but a well-organized space that enhances your driving experience. The CLE proves that you don't have to sacrifice practicality for style and performance. It offers a harmonious blend of both, making it an ideal choice for those who want the best of both worlds. It's a car that seamlessly blends form and function. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring the countryside, the CLE delivers a driving experience that is both enjoyable and practical. Section 7. Safety First Advanced Safety Features. Safety is paramount in the CLE. Mercedes has equipped this coupe with a comprehensive suite of advanced safety features designed to protect you and your passengers in all situations. From standard features like automatic emergency braking and lane departure warning to optional extras like adaptive cruise control and blind spot monitoring, the CLE is always looking out for you. The CLE's robust construction and advanced airbag system provide maximum protection in the event of an accident. High-strength steel reinforces the passenger cell, while strategically placed airbags help mitigate the forces of an impact. With the CLE, you can drive with peace of mind, knowing that you and your loved ones are in safe hands. Section 8. CLE versus the competition, a class of its own. The luxury coupe market is fiercely competitive, with each brand vying for the top spot in terms of performance, style, and innovation. But the CLE stands out from the crowd, not just by a small margin, but by a significant leap. Its unique blend of style, performance, luxury, and technology sets it apart from rivals like the Audi A5, which is known for its sleek design and agile handling. The BMW 4 Series, with its sporty dynamics and powerful engine options, and the Lexus RC, which offers a refined and comfortable ride, are both strong contenders. While these are all fine cars in their own right, each bringing something unique to the table, none offer the same level of sophistication and refinement as the CLE. The CLE's design philosophy is centered around creating an unparalleled driving experience. The CLE's interior, in particular, is a cut above the rest. The quality of materials, the attention to detail, and the overall ambience create a sense of luxury that is hard to match. The level of craftsmanship is simply unmatched in its class. Every stitch, every surface, and every component is meticulously crafted to perfection. The CLE also boasts a more advanced infotainment system featuring the latest in connectivity and user-friendly interfaces. It offers a wider range of driver assistance features than many of its competitors, ensuring both safety and convenience for the driver. It's a car that truly elevates the driving experience, making every journey not just a drive, but an event to be savored and remembered. Section 9. Final verdict, the ultimate coupe experience. The Mercedes CLE is a triumph of automotive engineering. It's a car that seamlessly blends stunning design, exhilarating performance, cutting-edge technology, and luxurious comfort. Whether you're looking for a stylish daily driver, a thrilling weekend getaway car, or a head-turning statement piece, the CLE delivers on all fronts. Yes, it comes with a premium price tag. But for those seeking the ultimate coupe experience, the CLE is worth every penny. It's a car that embodies the very essence of Mercedes-Benz luxury performance and innovation. If you're ready to elevate your driving experience, look no further than the CLE. It's in a class of its own.